Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. So here we are covering visuals under this playlist. So in the previous tutorial guys, we have studied about this new card visual. I hope now you guys have good understanding about this new card visual. And in today's tutorial guys, now we will talk about the next visual of Power BI, which name is ArcGIS visual. So before start this class guys, let me give you brief knowledge about this ArcGIS visual. So ArcGIS for Power BI provides tools to help you discover patterns in your data and tell a compelling story. With the map analysis feature include the following feature: select location, highlight data areas on the map, search for a specific address, place or point of interest on a map. And now let's move towards the practical page and let's understand this visual with practical. And now guys, here I will take this ArcGIS visual. So let me click on this visual. And here we guys can see it is getting me an option of sign in like ArcGIS Online and ArcGIS Enterprise. So you don't require any kind of login. So here under this visual guys, we need to take any country column, any state column or any city column to display better picture of map. So here under this visual guys, I am taking this country column here under this location parameter. So I will simply expand this sales table and take this country column and drop here under this location parameter. And now we guys can see some countries are here under this shaded area. So that means guys, this GIS map visual auto pick the countries where the sales has made. And now if I hover my mouse anywhere in this shaded area, let's say this India country. So here we guys can see this is the area of India where sales has made. Let me check this area. So this is the USA guys where sales has made. But right now guys, we can't able to see the figures. So whenever you guys selected any country column, city column and state column, so this GIS map visual automatically picked with shaded area, that these are the portion where sales has made. And now guys, let's talk about the next parameter of this GIS map visual. So here we guys can see we have latitude, longitude. So if you have such column in your data set, then you guys can take that column and display here under this GIS map visual. So right now guys, we don't have such column of latitude and longitude. So I am skipping these two parameters. And now let's jump into the next parameter of this visual, which name is size. So you guys can take any measurable value here under this size parameter. It could be profit, sales, quantity, cost and so on. So it will convert the shaded portion like a bubble shape. So let's suppose guys, I am taking this profit column and drop here under this size parameter. So we guys can see the shaded portion has changed into this bubble shape. And if I hover my mouse here under this bubble, then we guys can see the total profit of India country is 44,175. And in this way guys, you guys can hover your mouse anywhere under this bubble. So this time I will check this next country, which is China. So in this way guys, we guys can analyze any of the measurable value. And now let's move towards the next parameter of this ArcGIS map visual. So before moving to the next parameter guys, let me remove this profit column from here under this size parameter. And let me scroll it down. And here we guys can see the next parameter is color. So here guys, we can drop any of the column here which you want to further analyze with color codes. So simply select this product column and drop here under this color parameter. So see guys, the moment I drop this product column here under this color parameter, then the entire visual color has changed. This India is returning in yellow color and this USA is returning in blue color. Now we guys can also see the country and the product. So these are the areas guys where product has sold out. And now guys, let's move towards the next feature of this GIS map visual. So in the left side guys, if I click here on this expand tool button, so here we guys can see we have list of features. So here the first feature is active layer. So you need to simply select this icon button. And from here guys, you guys can select any of the shape to highlight a particular portion. Let's say I am taking this circle from here. So just click here. And let's suppose guys, I want to highlight this particular area. So I will mark this design with this circle. See guys. And then we guys can see this particular area is highlighted with purple color and the remaining portion is dark with this gray color. So you guys can use this feature to highlight this particular portion of this map so that you can better analyze the things. And the next formatting feature is search bar. So just click here and here we guys can find any of the address and any of the location. So here in the search bar guys, you guys can also find the correct location. So we simply need to enter the location and the visual will locate that particular location. The next feature is layer on the map. And if I click here on these three dots guys, so here we guys can see we have list of multiple options like symbology, location type, zoom to layer and labeling. So we will talk about each and every feature with step by step. So firstly guys, let me click here on this symbology. So here we guys can see we have two types of color theme, single symbol and unique symbol. So from here guys, you guys can change the themes accordingly. Let's say this time I will take this orange color theme. So here we guys can see the shaded portion is converted into the red color. And if I again click here on the second part, so here we guys can see under this unique symbol we have one more option which name is style option. So let me click here on the style option first. So here we guys can see we have symbology, color ramps and unique values. So if you guys expand this feature, so you guys can see we have some more images here like square, circle, plus, multiply and rhombus. So you guys can also change the design of your map visual. Let's say I'll select this circle from here. See guys, our all shaded portion converted into this circle. In a similar way guys, you guys can select as a square. See guys, and from here you guys can also increase or decrease the size of your squares. See guys. And now let me go back. So these features guys, you guys can explore by yourself. And from here guys, you guys can also change the theme colors. So you guys can take any of the theme from here. See guys. So these features guys, you guys can need to explore yourself. And again click here on these three dots. So the next option is location type. So here we guys can see we are analyzing the data of all the countries. So that's why it is written here many countries. So if you guys want to analyze only the particular country, so you guys can also select it. Just click here on this drop down and select here on one country. And here we guys can see the one country is United States. And from here under this drop down guys, you guys can also take another countries like India, China and USA. And now let me click here on OK. So see guys, the moment I change this drop down from here, and now we guys can see only USA related thing which we have in our GIS map visual. So in this way guys, you guys can use this feature to change the location. You guys can select any of the country and analyze any of the single country. And the same feature you will also get it here in formatting pane. Just click here and here you guys can see the same option which name is location type. And the country is already selected which is US. So from here guys, you guys can also change the settings. And now let's go back to the previous steps. So again I need to click here on the three dots and the next feature is zoom to layer, where you guys can zoom in or zoom out with the help of this zoom to layer feature. And the next feature is labeling. So let me click here. So you guys can also change the font size as well as the color size. So before that guys, let me go back and change this location type to one country to many and click OK. And now let's go back to the same option which is labeling. And firstly guys, you need to turn on this enable labels. And here we guys can see the text size. So these are the countries guys where these products are sold out. So if you guys want to change the text color, size, so you guys can do that with the help of this labeling. Let's say, let me increase the size of this text, which is 16. See guys, the size has increased. And from here guys, you guys can select any of the color. See guys, the color has changed. And guys, there are other features too, formatting of this labeling. So you guys can explore by yourself just to increase the size, change the background color and so on. So there are a lot of features guys here under this GIS map visual. So you guys need to explore by yourself. So I hope guys you have definitely enjoyed this tutorial and cleared with all the features of GIS map visual. So for such kind of detailed learning guys, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And if I click here on this playlist guys, so here we guys can see we have multiple playlists are here. So with the help of this DAX expression playlist guys, you guys can learn DAX functions from scratch, where I have tried to cover each and every DAX functions in detail. And also we have one more playlist guys, which name is Power BI Updates, where you guys will get to see the latest updates about Power BI. And with the help of this visualization playlist guys, I am also trying to cover each and every visual in detail. And those who are visit first time on this channel, kindly hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. So stay connected with us for such kind of detailed learning. And for the job seekers guys, we also have this free Telegram group, where I am keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview question and answers, which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and trainings. But if you still think guys you require paid training sessions, so I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day 1 class guys, I prepare for you interview rounds with some scenario based questions, which is asked by an interviewer. So for paid training support or any other queries, you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. You guys can follow me there. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.